October 8th, 2020 practice. So, sorry, that should be number 1. All right, so what is the greatest common factor, or the GCF, of 16 and 28? Let's do our factor trees. We're getting really good at these, and I'm very excited. So we have 16 is going to be one of our factor trees, and then 28 is going to be another factor tree. Woohoo! Alrighty. 16. What times what equals 16? There's many different ways. You can either have 4 times 4 or 8 times 2. I'm going to do 8 times 2. 8 times 2. Is 8 a prime number? Nope. That means we can break it down into something more. What about 2? Is 2 a prime number? Yes, it is. So we're going to circle that because the only 2 factors are 1 in itself. What times what equals 8? 4 times 2 equals 8. Or 2 times 4. I'm going to move my little Bitmoji over here just so we have a little more room. Is 2 a prime number? Yes, it is. Because the only 2 factors are 1 in itself. What about 4? No, 4 is not a prime number because 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 2 equals 4. Alright, so is 2 a prime number? Yes, it is. Now, everything that's circled is going to be included in our prime factorization. So 16, the prime factorization. We have 2, we have another 2, we have another 2, and another 2. Make sure we put them in order from least to greatest, which is what we did. And we multiply them. Now we need to figure out the prime factorization, or the factor tree of 28. All right, so 28, we have, what times what equals 28? Why not? Oh, I know 7 times 4 equals 28. Can we do that? Absolutely. 7 times 4. Is 7 a prime number? Yeah, because we can't break it down. The only 2 factors are 1 in itself. So 7 is indeed a prime number. What about 4? Nope, we gotta break that down. Break it down. What times what equals 4? 2 times 2 equals 4. Oh, yeah. All right, I'm actually going to move that over a little bit. All righty, is 2 a prime number? Yes, it is, because the only 2 factors are 1 in itself. Is there anything else to branch out? Nope, because we are at a stop because all of the prime numbers tell us go no further. You've found your prime factorization. In order from least to greatest, we have a 2, another 2, and a 7. Now remember, we are multiplying those because it is the prime factorization, meaning when you multiply all those, it will give you back your, so these are all prime numbers. When you multiply them, it will give you back your starting number, your initial composite number. So what prime factors do they share? All right, let's take a look. So, do they share 2? Yeah, they do. I'm going to make this a little longer and a little. There we go. All right, so they share 2. Anything else that they share? Yeah, they share another 2. I'm going to circle those, so I'm matching them. Anything else that they share? Another 2? No. How about another 2? No. How about a 7? Nope. So the only 2 factors, we're going to take 1 from each. So we're going to take that 2, and we're also going to take this 2, just 1 from each. Now, multiply the shared prime factors. So 2 times 2. What is 2 times 2? 4. So our greatest common factor is 4. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.